The purpose of African Transformation Project is to strengthen men and women's skills by providing them with the tools that enable them to live healthier and productive lives.
Niyo musomo guwaniridde obulamu bwange wamu n'abaana bange.
Bangi bakyusizza ku mpisa, bakyusizza ku nkola.
Gutuyambye okwagalana n'okukolera awamu.
Kati nange nsobola okiyambako ku bantu kubanga ndi mukulembeze. Naye kati abakyala bafuna ebizibu ng'ebyo oba abaana bawala.
Ampa ekitiibwa kyange nga bbaawe nange ne mukkirizamu nga mukyala wange.
African Transformation is a practical gender tool that enables men and women to examine gender norms and to explore their own ability to reduce harmful gender inequalities. It aims to bring about more equitable decision-making, resource allocation, and better health and well-being among families and communities. It was designed with collective input from women and men representing East, West, Central, and Southern Africa under the social roles. Nantongo and Salongo, who successfully take on non-traditional gender roles. Traditional and cultural values. Lucretia, who wins the right to bury her husband and inherit their marital property. Women and men's reproductive health. Sarah and Abel, who decide together to use family planning and model how a man can support his wife when she is ill. STIs, HIV/AIDS. Luke and Prosy, who learn to overcome the challenges of being a discordant couple through mutual love and support. Violence between partners. Fortunata, who starts an NGO to fight for women's rights after being severely abused.
family roles, and it's really exciting to see the role models in the video profiles.
Screening the video profiles was sometimes a challenge, but all those involved were committed to making it happen, especially as they saw how much the participants appreciated them.
African transformation is unique because I had never used these videotapes, films, to convince the community, and the community has been paying attention because they have been seeing.
Gwatusindika bwe gabutula ku mmeeza emu bwe gatwali tukiraba naye nga kitujjira nnyo nga kintu. Baawe nange ne mukkirizamu nga mukyala wange bwe bajjako awaka ne balaba abaana baffe emirimu gye beenyigiramu okukola nga bakyewuunya okuba nti nno nabo bennyini twatuka okubalaga omukwano lwakuba twasobola okubeera mu misomo.